on Mount Thayer, another species is settling into their new home, the purple martin, a type of swallow thought to no longer exist in Santa Clara County until it was discovered nesting in abandoned telephone poles during Midpen's restoration of Mount Umunhum.
The males have this beautiful, dark, iridescent purple coloration when they're in their breeding plumage, and so they're really interesting to observe when they're perched on telephone poles or wires, or when they're flying around.
To help the purple martin better establish itself here, Midpen staff designed and built these structures, which include nest cameras, giving us a glimpse into the bird's family life and inner world.
I think this project is an example of how, as an agency, we're really invested in supporting the natural resources that are present in our preserves. We've found, these really unique and special species, and we are invested in conserving their habitat, certainly, but also supporting and enhancing them as much as possible. I think that just directly ties into our mission of conserving and preserving the natural resources that we find here in our preserves.
Purple martin, kangaroo rat, and all the species that call this mountain home depend on preserves like Sierra Azul and all the lands that Midpen protects and welcomes us to enjoy.
I think when folks visit Mount Umunhum, they should remember that this is an incredibly unique area, and they're sort of entering the space that supports a number of really unique species that we can all sort of enjoy and share together while we're here enjoying the site.